Hi, this is Luke Russell here with TradeAlgo, where we use alternative trading systems to identify winning market opportunities each and every day. ATSs are private exchanges that large institutions such as banks or hedge funds will trade on, inaccessible to the investing public. It leaves the retail market completely in the dark when it comes to speed and transparency of information, and it often causes people to chase stocks and options a majority of their trading experience. Well, here at TradeAlgo, our elite algorithms and AI are able to identify the top large, mid, and small cap opportunities in both the trending up and down sides of the equation, so that way people can more confidently and successfully trade stocks and options following smart money transactions. Well, let's go ahead and take a look at the trending upside of the equation and the small cap space. I want you guys to see how AAOI today, August the 4th, had nearly a 2,500% increase in institutional bullish pressure. No surprises as to why the stock jumps 31% as a result today. Now, what our AI is detecting is that typically only about $8.5 million of AAOI stock is traded behind closed doors by large market makers over the course of the previous 7 trading days. Today alone, it was $210 million, hundreds of millions of extra dollars of institutional bullish pressure. No wonder the stock is making such a large directional move. Well, it's important to get that information early. Obviously, that's why we choose to follow market makers who control nearly 80% of all volume traded in the market, as well as going through their private exchange networks they trade on to get that at lightning speed with our AI in real time. More than an hour before the market even opens, 25 times the average amount of bullish pressure that's normally seen there. If you were to have done call options on AAOI, right now we're looking at the expiration date of August the 18th. Look at this list of triple and even quadruple digit winners. For example, let's say that you had done the $15 call option. We know that our AI picked it up in the pre-market. Options at the beginning of the day were about 5 cents. At its maximum, that's a 1,500% return today alone. Now, it's not about squeezing every single last penny out of it, though. It's about getting the information and the data down here so you're not caught chasing it or hearing about it over here after the profit's already been made. In fact, in this case, maybe you didn't even make a trade until nearly 10:15, 10:20 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Maybe you got out at a horrible exit over here. That's still more than a triple-digit return. And it wasn't just AAOI. There were many other opportunities. We don't have time to look over all of them. Let's take a look at maybe one or two more. For users of TradeAlgo who are busy throughout the day, maybe they're new to trading, they just enjoy the sense of community, whatever it may be, we also send out direct trade alerts to our users with actionable entries and exits. So here's a perfect example. This is the alert that was sent out at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time to our users. Our AI went through and saw an extreme amount of institutional bullish green pressure. So we send out an alert, loading up on AFRM, and then 1 or 2 minutes later, the $17 call at 18 cents per contract. Let's go ahead and go to AFRM on the TradeAlgo options chain, and let's see how following smart money transactions and using AI benefited us in this experience. So we're going to go to the $17 call, and we are going to take a look at today's August the 4th expiration. And we're just going to stick with the 15-minute chart because we know that the alert was sent out 10:01 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 18 cents all the way down here, at its maximum, a 116% return. We let people know when we're taking the exit as well. So you can clearly see right here the entry of the position, and you can see the exit of the position as well. 104% on AFRM. Congratulations to our users who are sharing awesome success stories with us, saying things like, hey, thank you guys, up 100% on that AFRM trade. Another user getting in at 12 cents and out at 34 cents for an almost over 200% return. Last Let's go through one more trade opportunity that we sent out directly to our users in our live trading room. You can see over here on the right-hand side of our TradeAlgo dark pool trading board, we sent an alert on AMD right here at almost 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, even letting people know early on the entry is coming up. 31-cent entry, now entering. $118 put option for AMD, 31-cent entry. And you can see as we are managing the position as well, letting people know when we're taking profits, letting people know how we're moving up our stop losses to make sure we're managing the position correctly. Of course, fully exiting the trade later on at more than a 100% return. Let's go to the TradeAlgo options chain one more time. Let's go to AMD. And we are going to take a look at the $118 put option. All the way down here. At its maximum, the trade was up over 760%. Again, we show when we're getting in, when we're managing the position, and when we're exiting the trade. However, we did have a lot of people sharing amazing success stories with us, saying things like, hey, thank you so much, TradeAlgo. They shared a screenshot of their trade almost up 400%. This user ended up making an over 400% return on the AMD puts. Many users in here commenting at 66 cents in and out, 75 cents in and out, which would be an over 100% return. And of course, this user almost scratching the surface with a triple-digit return as well. We could go through a lot more examples, but we do not necessarily have time. Congratulations to our users who are using the main dashboard today, catching Zillow right there at the top of the board, making a 140% return. We sent out an alert on Apple as well the other day, people cashing in on triple-digit returns on that one as well. Some people already done with a trading day by 9:38 a.m., using artificial intelligence and hitting their goals much earlier than they would be if they were doing it on their own. Guys, stop getting your information too late. Stop seeing only a portion of the market and come join the winning team here at TradeAlgo so you can find out how to get access to opportunities like these each and every day. Give us a call to find out how you can run through a one-on-one demonstration with a lead system analyst, or how you can attend any one of our free live webinars that take place every single day, Monday through Friday. Thanks, guys.